Today, let's learn how to recover my eyes. Only pictures on Snapchat. If you were using iPhone and as well as Android, because this will work on both platforms in the letter, no matter what you were using, because this is also interchangeable. So how do you actually do? So all we need to do is head on over to our Snapchats, which it's in my case over here. And then of course, you have to log into the account that you wish to use. And in order for you to see your My Eyes only photos is you're going to head on over to your gallery app right here. And by default, you will see your snaps right here and your My Eyes only photos right here on the very end. You can actually click on Setup if you want to do so. Quick setup. That'll be my password for now. You could also change that later if you want to. Click on Finish and click on One to your passcode basically. And you could also head on over and choose specific snaps over here and that you want to hide over on your My Eyes only. In this case, I'd like to hide this one. So click on More. Click on Hide Snap. Click on Move. And now that snap will be right here on My Eyes only photos. And if you want to actually recover your My Eyes only photos, all you need to do is click on the three lines. Click on Remove from My Eyes only and that will be recovered and be shown over here on your snap. So once again, okay guys, that is how you actually learn to recover My Eyes only photos on Snapchat if you're using iOS devices or even Android. Okay, think of ways from watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.